Think, discuss and write. The product minus 9 into minus 5 is equal to into minus 6 into minus 3 is a positive, whereas the product minus 9 into minus 5 into 6 into minus 3 is negative. Why? Second, what will be the sign of the product if we multiply together? A. 8 negative integers and 3 positive integers. B. 5 negative integers and 4 positive integers. C. Minus 1 12 times. D. Minus 1 2m times, where m is a natural number. So ultimately, when the number of times of a product is uh, odd, then negative will be there, and if it is the even, then positive will be there. So next point is 1.5, properties of multiplication of integers. 1. Closure under multiplication. Observe the following table and complete it. Minus 20 into minus 5, it is 100, positive. Minus 15 into 17, minus 255, that is a negative. Minus 30 into 12 is minus 360. Minus 15 into minus 25, positive. Minus 14 into minus 13, positive. Plus 12 into minus 30, minus 360, negative. So what do you observe? Can you find a pair of integers whose product is not an integer? So here all are the integers. All are the integers. So can you find a pair of integer whose product is not an integer? No. This gives us an idea that the product of two integers is again an integer. So we can say that integers are closed under multiplication. In general, a into b is an integer. For all integers a and b, find the product of 5 more pairs of integer and verify the above statement. Now next point is 1.5.2, that is the commutativity of multiplication. We know that the multiplication is commutative for whole numbers. Can we say multiplication is also commutative for integers? Observe the following tables and complete it. Here 3 into minus 4 is equal to 12, 4 minus 4 into 3 is equal to minus 12, and 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 4 into 3. Minus 30 into 12 is equal to what? Minus 360, and 12 into minus 30 is equal to minus 360. So both are equal. So finally, what are your observations? The above example suggests multiplication is commutative for integers. Write 5 more such examples and verify in general for any two integers a into a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. Next is 1.5.3, multiplication by 0. We know that any whole number when multiplied by 0 gives 0. Observe the following product of negative integers and 0. These are obtained from the pattern done earlier. Minus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. 3 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 into 0 is equal to 0. So this shows that the product of a negative integers is 0. In general, for any integer, a into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0. Next point is 1.5 into 4, a multiplicative identity.